This is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This is day 4 of the 2-week quarantine that we have over here. So I'm thinking of things to do to the car to kind of stay. I got this smudge in the camera. Hold up. So the last video that I did was the armrest that was broken. It had been broken for a while, so I fixed that. So now what I'm doing is I'm trying to match up my plastic pieces that I have in the front of the bumper to match with the blacked out grill that I put on there. The plastic trim pieces that you see in the front of the car, these pieces, okay? So compare the glossy black of the grill to this kind of dull, old, cheap plastic, matte looking color. I already went ahead and taped off one side, and I'll show you guys. I already did a super light coat on it. Actually, I'll do the second coat now. You know, again, that's only one coat, so there's a bunch of spots missing, but again, just trying to think of things to do, and this is something that I actually wanted to do a while back. I'm gonna do the second coat of this one real quick and tape off the other side and then finish it up and see what it looks like. Alright, so here goes the first coat on the second piece, and let me see if I can get it before and after so I can show you guys real quick. This is the before. You see there's no gloss, no sheen, just matte color. That's it, so very light coating at first, let that settle in. Alright, so this one is all the coat. Alright, so I've done roughly 4 or 5 coats on both sides. So let's go ahead and I'm going to peel off one side to see. This is the first side that I started right here. So I'm going to go ahead and peel that one off first and see how it actually came out looking. So let's see real quick. Oh, this is not tape. This is actually a piece of paint that's already chipped off a while back, so that's not tape actually. So sorry about that. Anyways, there it goes. Dude, that looks so much better. So let me show you guys real quick again with the phone, the light. So this is the dull, plastic that comes factory, and then this is the glossy painted. So as you can tell now, it kind of matches the black grill. Now it's blacked out here as well. Let me stand back a little bit. You guys can see a little bit better there.
What?
Well, I'm recording, baby.
Why are you recording? What are you doing?
Preparing the plastic pieces.
Okay.
I decided to go ahead and actually just keep the front grill. I don't feel like messing with it, trying to take it off or anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint the front lower bottom grill to match with the rest, and that's it. No other option. All right, we're done. So I did all the grills, the 3 bottom grills, glossy black, and here we go. Okay. There we go. Bottom grill is all blacked out. Looks good. Now it matches the front grill. All in all, in total, I think I spent around an hour and some change, maybe a little bit more. I did 5 coats on each, and in between I left it drying for about 2 or 3 minutes. But that's it. Looks really good, man. Way better than before. It kind of started looking crappy before. There you go. So it looks way better. Now everything matches this side, the middle part, and then the other side match with the black gloss in the front. So I do want to go ahead and tint out this fogs yellow and put some LEDs, yellow LEDs on there. So this is day 4 in the quarantining. I do have the XHP in store coming in for the car here, I don't know, maybe the next week or so. So I have another week and a half of quarantining. So I want to get that done. I haven't seen an X1 with it yet. And if any of you guys out there know of another X1 with the XHP flash for the transmission, I would love to know. So if not, you guys stay tuned in because that is going to be coming up here soon. So let's say, guys, I'm going to end it here. Hope everybody's staying safe out there. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right? Later, guys.